Why do loud noises give me anxiety? If you've ever found yourself jumping at the sound of a sudden noise or feeling anxious in loud environments, you're not alone. Let's explore why loud noises can trigger anxiety in some people. First, it's important to understand that anxiety from loud noises often stems from a combination of psychological and physiological factors. For many, this sensitivity is linked to underlying anxiety disorders. For example, people with generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, or obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, may have a heightened state of alertness, making ordinary noises feel like threats. This can lead to an exaggerated stress response, making you more reactive to sounds that others might find normal. Another significant factor is the connection to past traumatic experiences. Individuals with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, often have a heightened startle response and may react strongly to loud or sudden noises, which can trigger flashbacks or intense emotional reactions. This is because the brain associates certain sounds with the trauma, leading to a conditioned fear response. Neurodivergent conditions, such as autism, sensory processing disorder, and ADHD, can also play a role. People with these conditions may have increased sensitivity to sensory inputs, including noise, which can cause overwhelm, anxiety, and difficulty functioning in loud environments. Medical conditions like misophonia, phonophobia, and hyperacusis can also contribute to noise sensitivity anxiety. Misophonia involves extreme discomfort from specific everyday noises like chewing or clicking pens, while phonophobia is an intense fear of loud sounds. Hyperacusis is a condition where noises sound louder than they actually are, causing significant distress. In addition to these specific conditions, the general impact of noise pollution on mental health is significant. Noise can disrupt sleep, increase stress levels, and even contribute to cardiovascular disease and other health issues. This chronic stress can make you more irritable and sensitive to noises, exacerbating the anxiety response. To cope with noise sensitivity anxiety, it's helpful to create a calm and quiet space where you can retreat when needed. Tools like noise-canceling headphones or white noise machines can be very effective. Practicing mindfulness techniques can also help you stay grounded when unexpected noises occur. Gradual exposure therapy, where you are gently exposed to the sounds that trigger your anxiety, can help your brain become less sensitive over time. Understanding the root causes of your anxiety to loud noises is the first step towards managing it. By recognizing that it's not just about the noise itself but about how your brain processes it, you can take steps to reduce your anxiety and improve your overall well-being.